If you want to publish your Facebook page's posts automatically at the perfect time, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to schedule a post on your Facebook page easily. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Then go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon. Press on these three lines. From here, select that page on which you want to schedule posts. Again, go to Page's Profile. Tap here to create a new post. Add a picture, video, text, or whatever you want to post. Further, do your post settings and press here on Next. Now, if we press on Post, it will be posted now, but we want to schedule it, so we will tap on this third option, as Scheduling Options. Select Schedule for later. Select your exact date and time on which you want to schedule your post, and press OK. Press on Schedule and our Facebook post will be scheduled. Further, if you made a mistake and want to edit your scheduled post, then tap on Manage Posts to see all your scheduled posts. Here in All Posts, just select Scheduled Posts, and all your scheduled posts will appear here. Tap on Post you want to edit. Press on these three dots, choose an option suits you, and all done. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.